This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, February 3rd. Information provided on this report is applied by various stock marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 456 to 483, 8 to 900, 475 to 510, 7 to 800, 534 to 566, 6 to 700, 607 to 675, 5 to 600, 695 to 737, 4 to 500, 820 to 828, 3 to 400, 885 to 940. Heifers 900 plus, 403 to 439, 8 to 900, 455 to 465, 7 to 800, 474 to 520, 6 to 700, 533 to $6, 6 to 700, 612 to 643, 4 to 500, 760 to 815, 3 to 400, 840 to 860. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. Over the past month, Alberta Fed prices have been trading at roughly a $20 discount against the U.S. market. Based off the 3-year average, Alberta Fed basis levels historically strengthened from January to February. Looking at the calf and feeder market, prices are back at or near their record high set back in October. Last week, heifers from Alberta to Manitoba, weighing from 800 to 899 pounds for March-April delivery, traded from 470 to 479. Forward delivery feeder prices are roughly $20 higher compared to early January. Most of these heifers are going to the feedlots, but a couple of lots could be going back for breeding. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows $2 to $2.22, D3 cows $1.65 to $1.95. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $2 to $2.55. In the U.S., there is no new trade report, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $2.43 on a live basis. 4-state show list volumes have been reported smaller. Touching on the January 1st cattle inventory report again, beef cow inventories continued to decline, but the story has been different for the dairy sector. U.S. dairy cows were reported at 9.6 million head, 190,000 head larger than last year. Dairy cow inventories are the largest since the early 1990s. National bonnet cows averaged 305.11 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.32, up 11 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. February 237.32, down 85. April 238.40, down 112. June 233.62, down 62. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.